De golden vriendse between blake levelei aan Taylor Swift het a massieve legelwal, ante liaket mesages koming uit of aan neef eurkjoutroom aremore explosieve tan aan een gossip skript. Voor montes te world has wat je te messai verluid between blake aan het eens witte is kustar jesten baldoni. Bitnov nevlei insale text mesages halve drage Taylor Swift terug into the center of a legal vir 'n storm. Deze private etchanges reveal acide of de superstar duo dat fans halve nie verseen bevore. Antabak-klas is starting to move faster dan as stadium tour. In dit dokument staat weer eerst maar de publiek, blake reporterlei refereert to her director as adoofis ant a klovenwoed thanks he is afritter. Bit the real soccer come from Taylor herself. When a major news artikel was about to drop de teiling te drama, Taylor allegedly sent blake a betting message. Sy reporterlei chalet jesten a beetje aan joke dat hy was pulling out his ten hy voelen because hy kneef trouble was koming. Deze messages point a petire of a calculated effort to protect blake's reputation while the production was falling apart. The legal drama reached a boiling point when it was revealed dat blake allegedly refereert to her powerful friends as her dragons. Sy told jesten dat her dragons protect to sy vigits voor aan dat hy wil benefit from their power. This has led to accusations that the trio is their combinate a list influence to essentially control the film. Taylor's team previously claimed sy had zero involvement in the movie. Bit deze tijd solve haar geving adviese on te script aan te trailer to keep the power in blake's hands. Before we get into the remorse dat the standal has actually strijd blake aan Taylor's long friendship have to ask how so meting. Do uitdank Taylor was just bang as supportieve best vriend, or is this a chase of Hollywood man gerol behavior? Drop a comment rigit nov antlet me knov if our opinion of Taylor has shanget after seeing deze leaks. The fallout is already getting personal, with reports that Taylor is unhappy about buying net into a legal battle over a movie she didn't even star in. Some sources say the public release of deze private fans has caused a rift between the two stars. Meanwhile, blake's legal team is fighting to explain the content, claiming the messages were just two friends supporting each other during a toxic work environment. So do uitdank blake aan Taylor can ever recover from this public exposure. Or is the era of the squad officially over? Tell me in the comments if uitdank the director was actually the victim of a Hollywood power play.